Who knew I've been wrapping gifts completely wrong, and these little tricks changed everything. This hack is perfect for perfectly square or rectangular gifts like this book. I first rolled out my wrapping paper, then set the book on top and cut the paper to size so that there was enough on either side to cover the book. Then I folded the bottom of the wrapping paper up the book about 2/3 of the way. Then on the right side, I pushed the paper in toward the book so that there was a triangle shape at the bottom and the top. Then I creased both of those triangles. Then I folded the top triangle on the right side over to the left and did the same thing with the triangle on the other side, making sure to crease them both well. Then I folded the bottom triangles over the book and secured them with a piece of tape. Then I flipped the book upright, folded in the sides, then the other two pieces and secured it all with some tape. I tied some red ribbon around the book, then slid in a gift tag into one of the little pockets, followed by a cute coordinating bookmark. When I can, I like to add a little something extra to my wrapped gifts. To start, I took a long piece of ribbon, wrapped it around my box horizontally, then carefully flipped the box upside down, crossed the ribbon over on the back so the pieces were vertical, then wrapped the ribbon back around the front, tied a knot, and left extra ribbon on both sides. Then I added a gift tag, tied a knot, and snipped off the extra ribbon. Next, I took some fabric lace ribbon that I found at the craft store and cut a piece about 12 inches long. On either side of the center of the ribbon, I created 2 loops, then pinched the bottoms with my thumb and forefinger. I crossed the left loop over top the right loop, then tucked the top of the left loop through the opening at the bottom and pulled it through. Then I slipped my fingers through the loops and adjusted the bow until I liked how it looked. I attached the bow to the center of the gift with a glue dot, then I made a second smaller bow and stacked that on top. Now the gift is perfectly adorned with 2 easy-to-make reusable bows. If you've got a gift that's lightweight but has an irregular shape like a stuffed animal, this hack works really well. First, I took my stuffy, placed it on the wrapping paper, and cut the paper so it was about 3 times the width of the object, then cut the top so there was about 6 inches extra of paper on the top and bottom. Then I laid the rectangle of wrapping paper so it was horizontal, then folded in each side to meet in the middle and secured it with tape. Next, I folded the bottom up about 5 inches and creased the fold, then opened the bottom and pushed out the corners. This created a triangle shape on both sides. I creased those folds well, then folded the bottom and top flaps to meet in the middle and secured everything with tape. I opened the top of the wrapping paper bag and placed my gift inside. Then I folded the top opening down about 2 inches, then folded it on the back side and continued folding it in an accordion style until I couldn't anymore. I took a piece of twine and wrapped it around the center of the bag and tied a knot. I added a gift tag and some thrifted ornaments to add a little something extra, then tied a bow in the twine and cut off the ends. To finish the bag off, I fanned out the top and then taped the 2 sides together to meet in the middle, and the end result is a unique DIY gift bag made out of wrapping paper. For this wrapping hack, I laid out a large flour sack towel and placed my gift box on top. I folded the bottom of the towel up about 2/3 of the way up the box, then folded over the right side, then the left. Then I repeated that again with the remaining fabric on each side. I folded the top of the towel down the back of the box, then secured it all with some ribbon and tied a bow on the front. This hack is great if you run out of wrapping paper or are looking for a more eco-friendly way to wrap gifts. This tea towel can be part of the gift or reused year after year to wrap gifts.